Let's check in with StormTrack 3 meteorologist Hunter Donahoe. We have another sticky one out there. Even with my short hair, I've noticed a few little sprigs popping up here and there on the old head.
That's the theme today, and it has been for the past couple of days, Nick. Dew points in the 60s right now. So it is pretty moist as you step out the door, and you might even have some hair problems if you have the longer hair. It might be a bit frizzy. It's all thanks to this air mass that we are locked into right now, giving us those healthy cumulus clouds out there. You can kind of see them on our live eye in Mason City. A few bubbles of some cumulus clouds that shows we have a healthy atmosphere. It is mixing pretty nicely, and eventually, as we head later into today, we will see that chance for some scattered thunderstorms. We're going to top out right around 80 degrees for everybody today, rather seasonable for this time of year. But of course, with the warmth, with the moisture, and an approaching warm front just to our south, we will hold on to a severe weather risk, a level 1 out of 5 risk for North Iowa. Main timeline here still appears to be from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. today. Now, thankfully, this stationary boundary, which will be located in central Iowa, once the warm front stalls out, we will see those storms lifting north of the boundary, and that's where we will hold on to that 60-mile-per-hour wind gust possibility and the quarter-size hail possibility too. Thankfully, no tornado threat today as compared to yesterday. That ejecting Colorado low out of the Rocky Mountains will make its way on up here. We're seeing this cold front right here situated. It's going to become a stationary boundary later on. But eventually, we'll see that warm front coming in, and that will give us that chance for some storms. We'll start to see them bubbling up by around 4 or 5 o'clock or so, and maybe a low-end chance for a storm is what's going to happen here. Model data struggling with this type of event because it's so low of a chance. Might not even see anything. So this will be something we watch closely throughout the rest of our day. Then we'll see some more rain coming in overnight. A big change on this mid-morning package of this model guidance. A lot less rain than what we were talking about earlier in daybreak today, where it was saying upwards of 4 inches. That's not the case. A lot of this rain is starting to shift further south thanks to the track of this low pressure system being further south. So we'll still see some rain. That is guaranteed more than likely. And we'll see a lot less of this as we go through our Wednesday morning. Now eventually we'll start to clear out. Maybe we'll have some lingering showers as we go through the evening Wednesday with some more peaks of sunshine. In terms of those rainfall amounts, probably around 1 inch to maybe 2 is likely here. So not as much as that 4-inch total we saw earlier, but still a healthy drink of water for a lot of us. And this is good news because we still have 2 river flood warnings, one for the Winnebago River through Mason City. It's going to peak right around minor flood stage, and one that goes through Austin. This includes the Cedar River. They are also going to be heading towards minor flood stage. For the next 10 days, we get hot this weekend.